You want to start an Airbnb with $0 and no experience? Let me tell you how, with a strategy called co-hosting. Co-hosting is when you manage someone else's Airbnb property and get a cut of the revenue. The best part, you don't need any money to start. No furniture, no deposit, no rent, nothing. Just manage the property and you're good to go. Here is how it works. Let's say the property you manage make 10,000 a month. If your management fee is 20%, you earn $1,600 per month. That's because after the expenses, the revenue is 8,000 and 20% of that is $1,600, all without spending a single dollar. I know you might ask, why would someone let you co-host their property? Many property owners don't know much about the Airbnb business. They might have heard about it and jump in without a real experience. They don't know how to automate messages, hire virtual assistant, manage pricing, or keep the place clean. But you can learn all these things by watching videos like this one and then offer them to manage their properties, helping them to make more money while you get your fee. So where do you find these co-hosting opportunities? Facebook groups are a gold mine. Search for short-term rental co-hosting groups in your city, like for example Dubai short-term rental host, and you will find similar groups. Join this group and start connecting with property owners. Now let's talk about 3 ways you can make money with co-hosting. The first one, I call it information fees. This involves charging property owners for valuable information, insight about short-term rental market. You need to understand the regulation of the city where the property is located and provide guidance to landlords and potential buyers. This might include advising them on the best city to invest in, what type of property to purchase, and estimating the potential earning. For this service, you could charge anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500. Imagine this, a landlord wants to buy a property in Dubai but doesn't know where to start. You come in with all the information, best neighborhood, potential earnings, and the ins and out of the local regulation. For your expertise, you charge them $1,000 to $1,500. Easy money for sharing what you know. The second way is the property setup. Many property owners might not have the time and expertise to furnish or set up their properties. You can offer to design the interior, manage the cleaning, decorate the space, and create the Airbnb listing. The fee of this service will vary based on the size or the complexity of the property. For example, you might charge around $1,000 for a studio apartment, more for 1 or 2 bedroom apartment, and between $5,000 to $8,000 for a larger property like a 5-bedroom apartment. Picture it. The owner buys the property but doesn't have the time to set it up. You offer to handle everything, furnishing, decorating, and cleaning, and listing the property on Airbnb. For a studio, you charge about $1,000. For a 5-bedroom around, you can charge approximately from $5,000 to $8,000. They get a beautiful setup property and you get paid for your time and your effort. Now, the third way is the property management. This is the main revenue generating strategy. You manage the property on an ongoing basis and charge the monthly fee, usually 30% of the profit. This fee is paid to you on the first of every month, providing with the steady and reliable income. Here is the deal. You take over the day-to-day management of the property. You handle booking, guest communication, cleaning, and the maintenance. For this, you get 20% of the net profit every month. If the property makes $8,000 after the expenses, you get $1,600. This gives you a steady income every month. Each of these strategies offer different ways of earning money through co-hosting. The information fee and the setup fee can provide significant one-time earning, while property management ensure a consistent monthly income. By leveraging all these 3 strategies, you can maximize your earning and build a successful co-hosting Airbnb business. So, which of these 3 strategies do you think will help you make most money? Share your thoughts in the comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. See you soon.